Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing and opening Translate Mom so you can translate live speech and text. Once opened, sign in or create an account and grant microphone and camera access. These permissions let you capture voice and text in real time. Next, choose the source and target languages and set speech speed and text size to match the listener's needs. Doing this first streamlines the session so you don't interrupt conversation later. You now capture content. Tap the mic for live voice translation and speak with short pauses so Translate Mom can segment phrases accurately. If you need written text, point the camera and use OCR. Once the app detects text, tap any line to translate instantly. Switch to chat mode to type responses when noise is high and save important phrases to favorites so you can reuse them quickly. This blend of input methods keeps conversation flowing and reduces errors. To finish, refine outputs. Adjust tone and vocabulary in settings so translations fit context like casual or formal speech. You can share results by copying text, sending an audio file, or sharing a link directly to contacts. Make sure recipients have compatible apps or a web view. If a translation fails, don't panic. Retry with clearer audio, move closer to the speaker, or type the phrase manually. These final steps complete the interaction and give you quick fixes when things go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.